Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, only a quick one here. Solana is actually holding quite well, especially if we compare Solana to Bitcoin, Ethereum just now. They have not failed their rally yet, but they are starting to break down. I'm not saying they will break down, but I see the initial signals that maybe the rally that started on Sunday is starting to fail. But again, it's a bit too early to confirm that. So at the moment, I don't want to call a top in place. Also here, Solana still has a chance to push higher. And at the moment, it's looking good, actually, at least as long as this previously communicated support level is holding, which is at $21.65. $21.65, the 50% retracement level. We've been talking about this inverse head and shoulders here that broke to the upside. We reached the initial targets. And now it's all about, okay, can the price form a fourth wave and a fifth wave? The fourth wave, I did tell you I would like it to be a bit of a pronounced fourth wave. So the wave 2 took basically a week. I'm not saying the wave 4 needs to take a week, but it should be a little bit visible, okay, before we then move higher in a fifth wave. And that fifth wave could take us first to $25.50, which is this previous swing high from the of the 15th of August. And also here we had resistance before. That was end of July. So this is going to be resistance. To be honest, what I would like to see, and I think that would be something that the fans of inverse head and shoulders patterns like very much, is that, yeah, it might form here a fourth wave, which is a healthy wave 4, which means we want it to be stretched out a little bit, but ideally not below the $21.60 level. Then we could see this fifth wave rally here to resistance at $25.50, even though that would give us quite a short wave 5, but it would be acceptable depending on how low the wave 4 goes. And then we could potentially see here an ABC structure, which is the pullback, the corrective pullback after a 5-wave move to the upside. So that would be something like that, a 3-wave move. And then this would be our wave 2. So a 1-2 setup. And then the price could move higher in a third wave. Now, wouldn't that be great to have here all of this? This wave 2 could be our right shoulder. And then we've got a left shoulder, a head, and the right shoulder. Basically what we had down here in small, here in large, and then it could break out. And the funny thing is, if we talk about Fibonacci extensions, so let's go to the 4-hour chart. If we talk about a target for the white third wave, here I can't really give you that target really precisely at this stage. It's a bit of an estimate. So if we say we have the length of that wave 1, let's say we go up to 25.50. So lots of speculation here, and let's say the wave 2 comes back to maybe $21.50. Then a target for the third wave, I mean, we're talking here about roughly $32.70 to $34.70. I think that's not too far away from a target of that inverse head and shoulders. So we take the height of the head, go to a breakout point, and that would also take us to around about $33.50. So I think really good. I think really good confluence there. Now, does it make a follow through more likely? Not necessarily. It's just an observation. But obviously I call it out when I see it. Certainly we have a neckline there of a head and shoulders pattern or an inverse head and shoulders. And also it's a resistance level. So I have to highlight it. But yeah, I think the situation is fairly clear. Below $21.65, I have to assume that this rally is failing. But until then, the focus can be on higher against $21.65. Just a quick update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.